Kia ora tātou e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai, ki tō mātou wānanga, patua te taniwha. The School of Hard Knocks me ki, where it's okay to get it wrong. What we're doing here, whānau, we're going to have a little kupu hou challenge, made up some puka here for our kaiako, all in colour. You come in here, you do these little wero with me. We'll do this one. This is part one coming up now. I'll give you some kupu hou, and then there will also be a download in there for you and your tauira, your students or your workmates, and also the whānau at home with you, for them to contribute and then do their colouring in where they can whakahua these kupu and draw the picture. So it's about drawing the image that they see, that it's nice and clear and concise. Also, when you do join the wānanga, and might I say it is free, but you do have to play, we have a series of challenges coming up. So we're going to have the lockdown challenge for the TAHA HINENGARO, that's this one. There'll be two parts here. There'll also be the lockdown challenge for the TAHA wairua, the TAHA tinana, the TAHA whānau, and then the lucky last, Te Taha Rangatiratanga, celebrating your absolute uniqueness. So let's get started anyway, whānau, with our kupu hou. The other wero that you'll be doing when you come in, they'll be a little bit shorter. You'll be just using one kupu per item, but I'm going to bang these ones out here. There are 24 cards to get through, so we're going to go a bit quicker. All I need you to do is whakarongo titiro and kōrero mai. So there's a few to get through. Here we go, whānau. Okay. Koreri koutou? Okay. Anei, me timata tātou, māku e kōrero kia koutou, e mā koutou e whakahoki kōrero. Hua rākau. Hua rākau. Ka pai. Paukena. Paukena. Riwai. Parareka. Taiwa. Ka pai. You get another chance again to have a look at it later. You can watch it twice. I need to whā. Kāpeti. Kāpeti. Woo! Let's go. Ka pai koutou. Kānga. Ka pai. Have a guess. Have a guess. You'll love this one. Wā takarihi. Ko whiti whiti. Wairauriki. Don't worry if you don't know it, it's just hearing the kupu and just repeating what you hear. Ko whiti whiti. Wairauriki. Wā takarihi. Ka pai whānau. Let's go. Our next group, these are in groups of 6 of ono. Anei, hua rākau. Panana. Maika. Rōpere. Tō rōpere. Ka pai. Honga. Honga. Krepe. Waina. Ka pai. Nearly halfway. It's taken a while this time. Hi moi moi. Hi moi moi. That's the Māori word, or that's a word we're using for grapefruit. It's all good. It's just what you hear. hōpūru, hōpūru.
Aroha mai, hōpūru,
Pāta.
hōpūru.
Ka pai. I see that took 5 minutes. I'm going to go a bit quicker on these ones. You guys, when you do them, you'll be just using one kupu per item, whether you're holding up the fruit or whether you're holding up the pair of jandals, whatever it is, just use one kupu and then we can go quicker. Try and make them about 4 or 5 minutes in total. Anyway, let's bang them out. This is the time. This is the time for breakfast. Kai o te ata. Parakuihi. Tohi. Tohi. Ka mautauihi. Pata ngāwari. Pata ngāwari. Ka pai, just say it, just get used to saying it. Pani pango. Pani pango. Ka pai. Pani reka. Tiamu. Woohoo! Nearly there. Don't forget you got to colour them in your colouring in books and then write the kupu out. Miraka. Mean. Miraka. Waiu. That's the one, whānau. Kia kaha. Rānui. Lunchtime. Rānui. Poupoutanga o te rā. Poupoutanga o te rā. O paututanga o te rā. Sandwich. Hanuiti. Hanuiti. Mean. Parawa pūrua. Parawa pūrua. Woohoo! Come on, it's nearly tea time. Pai, pai, pai. Kōpaki kiko. Kōpaki kiko. Ka mautauihi, we're nearly there, couple to go, let's go. Not many leftovers here. Toinga kai. Toinga kai. Mean, let's go, 2 to go. Miraka tepe. Miraka tepe. I know you can't see it. Yogurt. Waiu tepe. Just about saying the word as well. Ka pai, you guys did well. Last one, everyone's favourite, but you can't get any at the moment. Maramara riwai. Mararara, mararara. Maramara taiwa. Maramara parareka. And last of all, what's the Māori word then for kumara chips? Maramara kumara. Ka pai whānau, I'm sorry that took a little while. There's 24 cards there. We've got another 24 to go in this series. Once you've completed that wero, jump into our wānanga, go into the files section, go upstairs to the filing clerk and grab yourselves your resources. Download them up there. They'll come in a PDF form. When I get there one day, I'll also make this into an ebook and you guys can have all the sounds there. But this is enough now. This is enough for a mellow puff. I look forward to seeing you all in there and come and join the others and you guys make your own wero up. I'm looking forward to that. That's enough for now. Let's take care. Kia haumaru a te noho, ki ngā kainga, ki ngā takiwā, ki ngā mahi noho, mahi o tō mahi, aroha nui, aroha tētahi ki tētahi, e rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Nō reire te whānau, feel free to share this with your whānau and friends. If you'd like to build your own cards or flashcards or take part in the wero challenges, come and join us in the WÄNANGA patua te taniwha. Maybe just for whānau under 16, have your parents' guidance, and that keeps us all good in the WÄNANGA and on the ipurangi. Kia pai te noho, hui e, tai ki e.